So, my friend, 90% of productivity content is crap. Like, the mere fact that content creator is showing you and giving you weekly videos of how to improve your life, how to optimize your Notion spreadsheet, how to have the best routine, how to optimize your brainwave function so that you can work at this optimal level every week, shows that the previous productivity techniques don't actually work. That's why I have to tell you the truth. That's the truth. No one wants to hear that 90% of productivity content is crap, because they miss the one truth that all you need is to find the consistent actions that are the fundamentals to achieving your set goals. It's about finding the habits, the mindsets, the simple things that will help you achieve your goal. It's not about having a crazy 3-hour morning routine. It's not about having all of these weird, putting your face in ice and having a banana and jumping over a pole and pausing in time for 2 minutes and going in like dog. It's not about having that Ashton Hall type stuff. It's about keeping your life simple so that you can stay in the game for a long run, right? It's about that. It's not about watching the next videos. This guy talk about this thing and implementing this thing, because dude, you're eventually gonna burn out and lose track of things. Like, dude, I don't optimize my life that much. Like, honestly speaking, I don't. The only thing that is the only part of my life that is optimized is probably my training. The rest is left up to me, because I set the standard. I understood the fundamental concepts of what do I need to do every day. That's why I have this simple habit tracker. This simple habit tracker that says I have to read for 30 minutes every day. I have to learn my Chinese. I have to do my metaphysics, or just watch a podcast. I have to track my meals. I have to meditate, and I have to train. That's my productivity. That's my simple things, right? I know for a fact that for me to post my videos and achieve my goal for this year, all I have to do is just record videos on Monday, edit them on Tuesday, schedule them on Wednesday, and for the rest of the week, I am fine. I don't have this weird ritual of where I have to write a script for 2 hours. No, dog. All I do is write the title and the points that I have to say and just speak to the camera, because I understand the fundamental concepts and you understand, my friend, the fundamental concepts. My friend, all it has to be when it comes to your productivity is working from a place of where you understand what you need to do and doing your part and letting God handle the rest. Meet God halfway, do your part, do your work hard, focus on the things that you need to do, improve on a little bit of things so that your work becomes better every time, and let God handle the rest. Let God handle the rest. You've done your part. You've made the piece of content for the week. You've done your editing. You've improved. You've impacted someone's life. You've done the work. You have studied. You have created the product. You have delivered the service. Now let God handle the rest. Chill out. Breathe. Work within, not from the external. That's what productivity is. Optimizing your environment in your life so that you can have the max amount of brain function and all of it. No, dog. The greats focus on the simple things, the basics, because they know that the people, then the rest of the game, everyone else is focused on the latest study, the latest technique, the latest thing. They just focus on the basics and improve the basics, which leads them to becoming great. The 0% details of studying, of how do I retain information better, the 0% information of how to present and speak yourself in a concise manner so that people on the other side of this conversation can understand you when it comes to posting your content. The 0% information that you can use so that your boss can find your work more presentable, so that you can be eligible for that promotion or that pay raise. So stop with all this over-productizing your life. Focus on the necessary things that you can do for a really long time, and then just let God handle the rest. Do the work and let God handle the rest. And chill the fuck out. Okay, breathe. Calm down, G.
Calm down, G.
Calm down. No productivity person is going to tell you the truth. They're not going to tell you the truth. And this is the truth nobody wants to hear, because it feels good to have all these things. You're feeding your ego, flexing to your friends look, I did my morning routine, bruh. Yeah, I did my cold plunge, my red infrared rays. I did all of these things. Like, sure, I'm not saying those things are bad or anything. I'm just saying, like, stop trying to overcomplicate things and just focus on the things that are necessary. Just focus on things that are necessary. Okay, just focus on that. And with that, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. There's free stuff down in the description. And yeah, goodbye, Kaizen.